Welcome to my tutorial of IBM IWidgets. Today I'm going to take you through creation of a demo IWidget in Relational Application Developer 8.5 with WebSphere Application Server 8.5. Okay, let's get started. So I go for creating a new project. Because it is not available there, I'll go for other option and I'll go for IWidget project. And I want to have some JSPs as well in future, so I'm going to select Web and JE Technologies model. Okay, so the project name I would say is demo IBM IWidget. So I'm going to have a demo IBM IWidget ear file as well. The target is WebSphere. And if you look at the manage features, the IWidgets is already selected with 1.1. Okay, so I click finish. Okay, so the application is ready with hello world, but what I want to do is I want to have a few other lines. I have a sample HTML tags kind of. I want to copy paste them just to save some time. So instead of that, I will paste this. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm asking to enter a color, and I have put an input field saying that it's a text type, and I want to have some capture user input. And the next one is there is a button, um, and I'll call it as show, and I'm using a table just for showing the changes. Basically what it does is you type in a color and click on show, and your table is colored with that particular background for the table. Okay, so this is my HTML. The only thing is like you have a button tag and you have an on click, and I'm making use of icon text, which is the JavaScript object to interact with the elements of the framework. iScope, which tells what is the scope. If you look here, it says that this is a scope, and I'm going to have a change color, and this change color method is going to be implemented in my JavaScript. So let me save this one. I go and open my JavaScript, and right at the bottom I put a comma, and after that my change color, and it's a function, and I'm not going to pass any parameters, so I do it like this. And I want to get both the controls, so where IP, so I call it as input. In shortcut you have to use iContext, iScope. Sorry, you don't need iScope, but you need to say get element by ID, and you have to pass the ID. So I'll go back to my file. I put the name like this, so I copy paste that. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so var tbl, the table, I copy paste this line again, but change the control name. I called it as color table, command C. Okay, so I have both the controls in my hand. Now what I want to do is I want to change the table color, bg color, to the one in the input. So I put dot value. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'm going to run this on the server, even though I don't have any JSP pages. In future I want to use JSP pages. Green, and it turns green. So let's say teal, it will show the teal. Magenta, you get that, and that's it. This is our program. Thank you for watching.